and to respond to the cry of hundreds of thousands who have marched every day since his murder, so we will never forget his name. George Floyd Justice in Policing Act establishes a bold, transformative vision of policing in America that ends police brutality, that ends racial profiling, that ends the practice of denying Americans the ability to sue when they have been injured, and gives local jurisdictions the power to fire or prosecute offending officers, that bans chokeholds, no-knock warrants, and makes sure officers known to be abusive aren't able to travel to different police departments after being fired. 12-year-old Tamir Rice would be alive today if the Justice in Policing Act had passed 6 years ago. It is fitting that today we will pass this historic legislation. It is fitting because today, June 25th, would have been Tamir Rice's 18th birthday. A profession where you have the power to kill should be a profession that requires highly trained officers who are accountable to the public.
They don't ban chokeholds on the local level, the state level. You know why? There's this little thing called the Constitution. They can't ban chokeholds. Eric Gardner's situation would not have been cured by their ban on chokeholds because their ban on chokeholds were for federal agents. Our legislation instructed the Attorney General to ban chokeholds for federal agents. And what else did we do? Well, we said we would reduce funding by 20%. They'd reduce funding by 10%. So our penalty was twice the penalty of the other side. And this is supposed to be an issue.